soralle jani mbita fa kolima maringol lolu mun dingol lelti mbat nga trackrin di alla jani mbe programme open la fo wonte mbat nga trackrin di fa kolima maringol la I'm going to cut this ambience. Balinko sana ni mane alin kango bula wai. Sana ni mane nyol ki uncle alin kango bula wai. Alin kango bula ah. Alin kango bula free. Bayen. Okay, assalamualaikum. Lamo lalu jibe lalu safel lalu. Momo be dawda Gambia ni Gambia bantala. Ngal be konton kende ke ngalu salamu mba falale ko. Ala dimaso be nyaji ala man sola kaira la kila hormoto ala ma momo hamen ko momenti man ngado mo roke damani on ko mandata wala ka kango dia momo hamen ko momenti ala ma ala ya jare men belare leptano to ala ma e wulla isingolayti la hajuru jara men be haji ni ma to ma bela ala ma ala ya sonaya Mbafla Gambia, my homeland, your homeland, our homeland. Alama kairo jitu la banko kang. Kabringo content droge Mbafla leko. Can you please share the video? Mariama Mamure, go ahead and share. Mama Bonde, I didn't know it yet. Billahi. Bari man kende ya nyawnya folis ngafale ntem fonyola. Kunung kalen no kontoliem funyo diam jama fone sonko jaman fon lale what we believe in is our voice and our voice is our vote. My boss Famara Fofana, I am saying hi to you. Fofana Sababo Ketala Tima Bedokola. Be radio kono is my mentor and in TV kono, so I'm sending you a lot of love wherever you are. Mbafaleko alamai fananjola ilangania sanengola towards Tima. Thank you so very much Famara Fofana. Nge konton kende diamla me konton jang. If I see my mentor here, I have to for see konton ablai suso sora fa koli mamare ngola woti nge konton kende ke, and all those who have been inboxing me, sending me message always kaje ko nga benyadi le fombe fisia kanne mbafla la baraka bake nga fisia sotole ntol buka hani fresco la naye muto drong akajin so kan all the time akatam fay so true. So obviously alhamdulillah now I am getting better. Na bota woto meduna kacha kon demanding kono, which is my headline today. What is ECOMOG really doing here in our country? Adama Barrow is a betrayal now. It leads him to an unknown destination, and SFR is not really our problem. Diamo be siaring niaje nga fanna mento mondoro always wo diamo be caring, but na diamo bi asike abe diala asike ate diala, because more la mira nyal mankling and how everybody is going to most of the people ibatala nyame but nsafale alsa hako to whatever is coming, but the truth is always bitter. Adunga la nya onyarande drong alsin you should all should cope with us, especially with me. Ekomok la na nyimbankung kang masibo torante kamolu tora kamolu jihadi and kamolu dundi dimba kono. A selfish interest ada baroyo wole soto kam ECOMOG samanang pula ateya kanta. What is ECOMOG really doing here? Are we in war? Ngamela nunko ECOMOG nata la nyimbanko kam pulka tenko sabatin di banko ka make sure ko diamote kela wato me yaja mebe wulla. Sa yaja me na wulo ni saintema ay sanji lulu sile kabira tata anin saintema ECOMOG mantara Gambia dingol tankande kankanto ila siyo jango mati na mol manfa o mati na mola mol manfili o mati na mol ye domoro soto o mati na mol ye jio soto o mati na mole jata kende ya soto o mati na mole price control soto in the market. So niaje ko ite Adama Barrow ibe ECOMOG sindikang abe siring abe kantala is a simple reason. Pula aye kanta ite bina kolu men kala yalon ko wone silo manta o yalon ko Gambian ko telefla men ite ba wala kala wala tena ECOMOG sindi ifongo bala kantu yalon ko femma juso manja me Gambian aussi. Ite fe ni ECOMOG bejele mol bulo te sile ma bal ni mol bulo man sima fanan dabe sile ma la metonya ne ngo folene ECOMOG kabrisa fo ku ko sagola e ni Senegal sojerol na raja ye men ke nyim banko kan men mo kebal ti nga moyla bawo ku ko sagola tan tol man wulu bali wol yalo ne ekomok soja soli e menke nyi bankun kanja yenna musolu reble ye kono ke dingol be farin jan eti wan dingol be farin jan tep ye konol ke musol la ye rep ye tuja wo dingol be jahan kabi wolu me fa wolje. Well, people know what I'm talking about. Ninyul naraja all the time tinyaro kola e mamfenke. I can remember the first time Ekomok came here. Watara nte menkala mutakadri ya jame wulda. Eko fonga video ke nko Gambian girls after Ekomok. Na fondi musu na musol dindingolu yela bulu suwolu bula. Ibe rangol la ka mek so dolbe kumala koito yele banyol ni fawol to sink it dal la to. Ikata just to take picture with Ekomok as if they are celebrities. Ini natalo lukejanne ibe nene la doliye ke kambano ti yamara ko million be bul tapas table inata nyini role like ke jome na karfalu dolube je men be Gambia they are millionaires imam futa Ekomok man futa wo ni sojarol man futa wol ngon singol koto wo tinyaro yake jantumo men na kabri Ekomok na raja anim pitema economic ye how many people of how many genius how many Gambian people have they killed ye molla fodnin kel mutay bela ibe jay dolel kala tari ibe kol kala andu ikabulle fi bulala katunu Senegal fangole ike jele ko eni la mutol be lori ibe na mod break la Senegal sojarol ka mol bayinde la kabel Senegal fo Gambia we have seen that mbetin dem maritating dem ngawol je janne ni Ekomok be jantumo say kan say nyim fiti do membe keri inana me dak je isina le fale nyo faje they have nothing to do with it because imanna tur pour control kan tankandi imanna pour control makoy inara jere pour ka Adama Barrow makoy ay si abe sira nyamen mo lo ko do be dun Ekomok bulo kono Ekomok ka dépense men na ni afuntinde na wurol be kumal Ekomok ka dépense men na ni afuntinde na wurol be kumal is high time pour Ekomok yenda funtila banko ka wato men na wonta sainte Ekomok yenda funtila banko ka wato men na that is not even today. Our people are dying na molbe fala kuma futije Ekomok ko na rajane la do ko movement ya bula je tata party ye menke num foye arrest we have seen that they are here enjoying themselves inila moto be wiri wala le kamune yayi mon la banko kan e be dunna hurin huba inila moto lo faleta molla mol muta mokedol kamo nani mutaka taki alesi Allah hadola alko kayra etinya ayela kuma futije nyim banko kan Adam Barrow will not do nada out of this because abe sidin janne molla musul be fala man hen fin fe fudi je sako Ekomok ye molla mol killing our people like chicken ye molla mol fa Ekomok and the most annoying thing is imansila luwala woli luwala mute blokon because daba nyama ye molla mol taki kabori ka ye may kata min tole ikambori ka yeme kata mabo da mento jani be futila Gambia ni Gambia dingol le nyol je nena sojarol be there they are there in the camp molla sojarol be jen thank you so very much paje you remind me this molla sojar and I have been saying this Gambia sojarol nim polisolu alienta lodula lonale silang ata wulla bang aliara right fight bang Our Gambia soldiers or Gambia service men and women, you are right here. They are seizing your right away from you, right under our nose. You are all busy on the traffic. I see no in traffic. Kabrin somunda for tilo boy. And on traffic of ayenta kala kuwati me ngo yenta kakarande itol lota manoka wato wadi traffic ka blockle albe lori manoka ya lundi ni manoka albe matol wiri waral modol binala fay kal taki albe lori manoka arrar right almo lono president obara ale wuli ale fay ko look ntol mo Gambia dingol tinna right la nyindi don't seize our right from us. We have the right to be ngalo ngatara state house nga chunincha e ko mo memambo Gambia banko ka wol ba chunincha la mo la banko ka ibakili la dimbayale be balula when you the policeman the soldier the immigration ila sarali for woman tabi $3,000 ila sarali is not much it's not more than $3,000 albe siring yena jube fon to la Gambia police wolu fon ni futa da police station oto iji so fon le kema police station keta ko pukusol yal kiko I'm sorry just like animal yal landi was station ko mfuta the eso do la station ko right at in Sukuta station here if they tell you this is a police officer eso mumeola OC mumeola officer you cannot even believe it je kam to ko storm en ka bololu mabo je story ndin bago be nyokor njana kayto be nyokor linja file be nyokor njata famo sida fan nyokor they are not even having freedom porque la do ko ke they are not even having freedom porque la do ko ke I spoke to one police officer wol kela ko do lel bondi pour kata A4 paper sans prier safaro ke no ala ibe supply la A4 paper kayti ko yo men fon la pour la safaro ke aman soto. They use their pocket money to buy that because they believe that they are Gambian citizens, so they cannot wait the government while they supply papers. You will for a time of police motor to just police motor men for arresting Kala, Maso of Sako. It is a motor men for Sotola, motor men for Sotola, member Sambala Doko, Iman motor Soto member Sambala arrested, Sakamoto member Sambalo. Itama de la Butsol, Philip Butsol, Dal Kayel, 10. This is really sad. They are not armed. They are attacked everywhere. They are beaten by people. Koku belakika. Yes, still you cannot get up and fight your right. You know what? People cannot fight your right. Eko mo besiri moto kungo santo. Inile motolu. Ebe wiri wara like they really have time for katasi party dulaldo. Yes. You as a police officer, you don't have time to go and enjoy yourself. Ekomok is here, they have time to go and attend parties, birthday parties, club on totari. When you, the police officer, you are working day and night, susulal be fala. Ni bita ni membita ila bakol, ya make so yela bako sika ye muntaiga bula kono, pulikela doko ni wonta susulal be fala. Susulal be fala le, wa muntaiga me yamala, na pada waisele la, sisi dimoni fresco le la fi fala. I went to Brikama station. Jiola ka jo woto wop space be warali nyame isi bunjans dek sabaloje polisol kuteje everywhere will be supply at least ibe do kula demen you should be comfortable there pliela do koke kaso be able pour kata tideda ibe silin demento ikajele ko jonko noro is coming the toilet is dirty benante je member fitale you as a police officer you yena do kola ye wura fana ko be jonko kula o fana be kola yala. You as a police officer, yena wuli kota kay ko be jonkon kula wo be kole yala jonkon noro binana siol memelo la jobolo le do moroko be nyuna diarrhea everywhere. Ekomok is sleeping comfortably. E be comfortably everywhere benna mol fala ko sisere ngo. Nothing comes out of it. Nothing comes out of it. Abebe fari Senegal soldier rola. Senegal le marathon tolman na soldier role na police role you have na sita enjoyment. You're not enjoying. You cannot go close to the president because he doesn't trust you. Ite be banko men fonka ite la police role iman la soldier role ite man la walla ikata wula kono nyino balundi Adama Barrow ikata yula kono nyino balundi ika sukono nyino tuje obe borin na tare niaji be mente defe you sack all of them ko they are not loyal to me police all them they are not loyal. Should they be loyal to you when you yourself you are not loyal to Gambian people? You Adama, you are not loyal to Gambian people. And yet still you are complaining the police and the soldiers are not loyal to you. Should they be loyal to you? They are not there for you. They are there for the Gambian people. And you don't even trust them and you want them to be loyal to you? Like seriously? Most of these people, men may be visiting, even other Poro support. I go through your profile, I see them. Even if Kaso Mesotola, Pulka Jio Ming, they don't have that Kaso. Wodol kalamale sika ya jolo akoto ya min kalama kemi wala. You are dying of hunger. Konko be fala, mindo be fala. Ni buidingo sasa te fona kata nyasi pulka boro nyini kedingo jara. You are there, guess tilite bo imendara fenna, ibo Adama Barrow le support ka. When your parents ni sasa that they have ibukala ran sota left hand te bela damet. Ite bembe Adama Barrow support ka. ite be Adam Barrow support ka ila mol ka sasa lala mo ibuka so de kela bankolo to leptano kon ite membe Adam Barrow support kan ni tan leptano de kata ji sangol la pulia di la molla yelo fo ka yai sata ko fo ka tara ibuka yelo so te be men di lela ila pesa still you are screaming behind Adam Barrow ya mala danko fanante kere ya melante alquran karanal kumandile alquran karaw ke banko kan kantu nyimu fanjaw yalte you don't love yourself. You don't love yourself. Mommy uncle before giving janabe kukele phone you have to give out a support le abe menkele la kele mon la taxpayers la money bole dile la na pate na mulo fon ke samano abako kukeno e when our victims will be jameni alonko samaye la bungolu boy janne samaye la bungolu boy janne in envelope payment for $200 $300 is amosi $250 and $200 for our people. Many yalon ko be lari bantale sama ntoli Adam Barrow sama na jana purka mol nyaaji ofita fuaro fana ya afford what you eating mayne so asan so to bal bikat mo gele mi yalon ko fanka mama so to banko ka ita bi ko ko mayne so $5 you are there quarreling fighting because of $5 in mayne so ima ko do so do just you are screaming behind Adam Barrow medu be ka wurin ni ye do lu jube la bu ko ma bebe faral ji mondo men fo ba bi le ma so you go to the market ye yai maso ko ne ini ngende jayo be kelela ko e bagaso le dada fa ni pate be wula Adam Barrow do ma yamal danko te ngenti danko ko la mun ngenti e ko mok soja sol motowol gondi la banko kadama ke molla Gambia police olti Gambia soja rol Gambia army Gambia paralu fight your right alman kan soto banko kan. You are not enjoying your own cake. Ila banko fonkan paying tax every single day. Ibe wule bita do kola. Yera rights is bulu ni parta. You cannot even protect yourself on anything. Ibita silo kane ni bandiol be bene kebu te feke kungo tema li. Yete la ne leptano kon and the bills. You will die there. You pay your own bills. This man Masakunda will not pay your bills. They will not. The ni bita bilo fongo jola. Mola mo kendo la ine be faka leptano de be kalankala wala follow before paying your bills. Now you are the right person to fight your own right. E como ke bondi banko kali ala pala sultan. Ntolbe dia mo la keno la bon telte mo sikano te mo so dino la kabako. We are only going to show you the way. If you insist alkal kasila banko ngamele ko mbe jamano men kan sai kasila mansala woyenta bolale. You have democracy, you have voice, you have democracy. You have freedom of speech. Speak out and fight your own right. That is telling the president to sulatan na palaso la wala membe klake ayala palaso e como ke sei la banko ka ite la banko doku. They are from Africa. Corruption is everywhere. They are from Africa. Corruption is everywhere. Let them go and handle their problems ila banko kan atoli ala problemo handle ala own banko kan. But you are there every single day. If you go to this traffic, even lorinje, ikar rango gen, police be lori abet, leave down ola si bori faka boy si loka. Just people can leave soto kata do kuala. Ni futa da je fana ini wabata, ile dasa mo itele basa nefa, ile konto ifo. It is coming from your salary. Konto si man dasa no bota na wasara likon. You have idingol be suwo kono, muso be suwo kono, luase ol be ge, paso yabre, ibe credit card sana. You are using the internet. Everybody is using this internet. This costs the internet. Fenêtre tuteje be balu ni fuda da station do fana ye nyuka je kam ta sungona ye mabo hol ko be siri hol kon isi mo fon tilindu lay bukaso go to Sukuta station and see the kind of station they have. Go to Sukuta station if on le ay fo mako ye bok ye carton le nyini fen ko le nyini babaro le nyini nyim plywood ye wala nyini ya pempem pour ka puku sindim built if on for the ESO. What a sad nation. What a sad nation. Huh? You plywood or listen, Kebelul plywood, you are pimping a very small room for the ESO. Where is the government? Ndaranga ESO sala abesonkala ale da bondi damento da manyana talayan al da bondi ja boxo. Gambia is a sad nation. You go to Birkama station ete sino laje. Susula ko wim wang. Mon la police will be sirije when they are ready yeta home. Yes sasa you could men soto on your salary yeta some borol. Then now it's right time for you to fight your right. Let ECOMOG has to move out of this country. Ayala pala sulta. kabe Adam Barrow binanam I promise o men fon be kala nothing happens ama promise ki me aya fulfill police la la sarali jumale la fa yana ba la sarali la fa albe sirin damento your environment should be healthy ila environment be sirin damento ida sila jele ye comfortable je yela do ko keno bali ite ko do men fo so they contribute to buy lunch they contribute pour que ta carton sanka ke office foire le fond mal la fi fond o foire digol men yalla ko iman jitika so adi one screaming Adam Barrow koma ite be bensan nan nyankata on fond la ma so neta to so fond ni ta de cap kelo bi la station at the house maso fond be said ali fond be dafa you are not petrol I man fi bankola when you yourself me yalla ko mo neta to so you are screaming behind this president after all we did after the fighting Molbe borta banko be kide ta femmantu banko ka Gambian people came together they na flow men be bota Adama Barrow kunto place na flow men bot nyin diaspora kunto I remember kabirite Adama Barrow winter mfama mi yalon ko kebalo matata o juble sonolal ala seklo sikala kaduna kunto mole bulo la poso kono yala mobile o sunya we celebrate you mano fala tep moli ete bonina itata bori bor jongo itata fot Dakar Senegal ima so kelendi la bankoka ina te manyo sika jane ye biti yesam wo mel na te bondi jang yesika yesama where are they alna ko Adama Barrow aliya bondi tata mabo men kama pour fenkana kala yo le murdena akate ni wolle be coalition Buhari atol men na dal na men noma altana president o men mudal ya ma ba pour ku kana kar o president o bi yakani ali abondi men kama ba prani men kana si nyoma sila yo la fonka they are all watching ye chikaje ye bondi jang ye samba kari do ku jele be wandi bankoka iman kalindi nyi bankoka ñun loya dabo sojoro tata kufu ka fajelo ke tore la suwol kon dimmuso wala fudina ak etam gi anala doko koni sojar dun tela soko na be freola you don't have the right to trespass kata mo la soko when you as the bananin keke nda jamal be mabodin jonkon kon you president Barrow me am na nga ray gaynde itebe mabodin jonkon kon ip jonkon e man comfortable je itata tabulo ko wala dining cloth ya bondi je dining table ni ya cloth ni ya muri fonkon ko ni bolo panel biti ko fonyo kankan kanama ite e mabo wala ko e man comfortable woto fadan itana ko ma yetare ko be sel la fensora koma you Adama Barrow isel de fensora dal jumal kama APRC ko ni sojaro libe mabo ka wala kama APRC ko ni sojaro ibe mabo ka wala kama you were hiding, nowhere to be found. To just save your life. Investigation, they want to know for them to get rid of you. Those people, elderly people, all care about City they went to jail. They slept in my too, just to save you and save this Gambia. Ye kochi jele, ye poziro dido la yadomo, ye kobe kela jele. They are there. They led their life. Ye la was mole bata membeke. Ye la wo jail kono when you are eating tune in China swokon. Wolbalare jail. Are you going to deny that? Who is going to deny? At all NPP call member deny la. I bal dajala. Jumana bi jamembe soso rokela janko loya bo mela prison muna na yela prison alna leo ansanya muna na yela prison come and tell me muna na loya dabo yela prison then I don't think muntaiga yante mukala come and tell me muna ya tinna yela prison dolbe kuma la luwa le soso amantele na loi soso to Gambia dingol la kama he went and lay his life ko loi soso pour ka tol funtindi na ko loi soso ay wala ke bo wolumo ale mulay cegin don manokan ngari me bayte be bolana wodaka gambe diwol men ye kulungota dol dunta bala e ba cross dole motolu ta yela motolu kono kata ite wali Dakar yela suwarin ke yeswege yes dol ta da suta bala ye kumot ba tay idunta nyim bal I cross ta nyim banjunu bala don rangi rangata yo moto ko ne si accident no anything can happen to them just kate tala nyi kalindiro mabe nyi Dakar kono jam ye kalindi ye ye kalindi wala to I kalita je I parete ni na hanyola lobe tabina ite meso to mo soto Gambia di ngol le wasima kon na nga gelon jukal Gambian yoy nonu hadama du mo ni moy ku ke ni man ka jongota faya baraka ni man ka jongoti man ta jondu afaya baraka hadama du mo man futila wolunte sida mayemo I have some videos here nsikel son le kata mesiri na moto ka ko santo how many hours we are there wolum ko yara fang hadama di obe Gambia la yara fo moso to da Gambia la se ko tebe tala independent la force independent stadium of hada Gambia no me ijam fade they came and stood and stood by you yes stadium of the tep yaya jamme na moso to ja nko yaya jamme we budulal be divide la momoro ndi be demento ibele independent kara woto July 22nd len celebrate la wati ite bina tumo benna fondin kew mi ko namu tolo ta sunka ta pakat wax mo kilo fo la damala hako mam boy kay ko ite wo mo kilo damala hako man ko ite to hake ko hada badu wala siya mo man kun wala mo to namu tolo ta sunka tita pakat aya nyako yo yele mande masila soto plus ka saba ya tindi raidal kan ka saba hada man jelle ketu to woto mol man domore imam mindo how many hours mol be lori man yemira airport jo sono ni te mo man je soto no kabin to je soto so ko nga wala wali katasi katala because mbata kala mantano ni ta ko tele loya dabo fundinde jeel itama loya dabo fundinde jeel ilo ko mo man soto man son Gambia dingol le lota ye laya do ya dabo fundinde jeel kabra be lola abe molu yata ko ni kesobe makla en foloma where were you fatalo lota moto la fore gainde katwol men be nyato mol ye wala we saw their pictures you are nowhere to be found you are not in that in those people imantara o mol kon ita mantara o mol kon bali hani APRC ko men be kerimbi they are opposition fongo sontale ko loya dabo wala kelo ke kedo keti sindi be damento you are our product mo be ko la atole baro di mol dunia mo karamo le tiko ntol me baro di ala ni ntol man la ba sakoy tani APRC ko o bata beke mol fan ke da celebration la kabilo li eta celebrate over 2 months they are celebrating you ko that you len ni solu fa ni solu fata celebration keta asobilu tata bi ala majango kata lo aka fuko ha UDP kol alma fello fo asobi balo asobi talal ko ida majango e bol kono ya asobi tale yes ite asobi men dunga ila almoro duma tricota be mo asobi le bilal ba nga asobi du ngolon bali wato me beta celebrate asobi be tale be donne munal mama fu de la fe ko arabu asobi tata dia tale de akaya tasila no iko kela moy Gambia dingol la ni e même foi bo kay la political godfather is lawyer dabo wala ta muy wala ta kala dare du ni politico kon sayta man kala la soto imam muru soto be mo sapela la fo lawyer dabo nyimbe bo lawyer dabo kerolti nala hacilo nyina ta ngal hacil bulandi damande nalu nyina ta ngal hacilo bulandi damande if you forget we will remind you atol men be ka bori Adama Barrow no man yaaje bi Adama Barrow fula alni UDP atol le fisir wala tamba wallet atol le fisir wala tamba wallet yalo ale me fo fisir wala atol le fisir wala tamba wallet alka wuri Adama Barrow abe bolu nenna atol sababo ketamenti atol mawol tantu al me jay falkal kabula la sababo lela ale mo la banko dindin ni fondinkel be karandi jam fantu yak même jam fatali atandila when there is no future for our young people, our youth ana baro ya nyabo ko ka nyabo lio ka nyalo na fondinkel ka kabiri de sida bihani bitema it is skill center jumala yele for our youths. Tell us for 5 good years. For 5 good years. Tell us what skill center you built for our youths. Banco funding kelun katwa fly wole are the pillar of Banco. What youth soul melota tell us what youth soul ali even one skill center me yele for the for makoy. Never. Ali mo la state house da na mo la official beke badi ya fasara ngolti. Al badi wol dem mali wol lal dundiji. Man semmin ka mol be fanyo ka ba fa this media is the best. Kari na bes kari ko nyete banko be dunda nyoto. Mo be ka nunto mole protocol menna. Ye finde be kuma la toni daba, e be kuma la lawyer daba sim. Mo be kuma fola mi yalon ko. E be provo kuma la fola nyoba ino be kala wuro be kala ni me winter mol be siri sukino ko NPP. NPP ndo kontila omu kunu kuolete APRC UDP PPP NCP bebe sukli wala kono wala jamanolo wala ka style lela ka nyogar wale wala mu wala politikoti adam balona da ye tribalism sabay ko sifasa bini ko mo bandi ko samay ko mu saraxul sen ni ko mo fulolti when you know you should know that you are a Gambian president, you don't belong to any party. Ni fiti da lo me fani la support like can disappoint. Where is your agenda? UDP la 5 agenda bondile ite la agenda le. Ala mo ite la agenda le. Ite la speech buka ka fenti. Ite mo politiko mu karangolti. Meni be jumale be kalande mote je me politiko lo. Be yaila musol no ma ko sikuba. Maybe they tell an advisor. What a failure. Il a advisor. A la message we are seeing it. Ika muso muhorama talti munya talti. Ika nyati di muso lekava when will I fuck you? When do you want me to fuck? Hani chago me kuntala na kotota jebu ko fai. Hani chago me kuntala na expire prostitute. Ibu ko fawai. When do you want me to fuck you? What a shame. An advisor. Yes, still. My president, I stepped that day. Corruption. That is corruption. Kabri alobaro na si wato ni sa ita sa fako ita la masa kunda be senki. Everything is normal. Even one person maja ya baila masa kunda for corruption. Not even one. Not even one. Say the ngana tikolu sitting nganda say impare tale membe kala obekala political full force because I sita walema. I've not seen you. Hani sinya kili eko alambaro e mola bayala masa kuna for corruption. Everything is senki. Momo e kokuke very good. Your advisor. Ala message your everything is outside. You heard his voice what he was saying. What was your effort? Yamuneke kajeko ya discipline ya fundi nila masa kuna. No. You are encouraging corruption every single day. Abekelele kabi mola corona ta mola tenka kodo what is the name again? Mola coronavirus kodo ita dala muna sangala hamen tandinu kokobo tolu. What did you use our money for? Toklaito, condom, and mobile. What for? Toklaito. Kodo ani mobile kabiri toklaito condom ani mobile condom onata ikafu ambiski ikafu nyoe ini mbiski to natal ya jame jamano momala handi bakala du me bakala bale momala advisor jay fi dakam mo la musol fondi musol ko when do you want me to fuck you like seriously an advisor itabo place ba mento imam mira fo musol ni be yaina mola mansa kunda motoli ni mejo kloboto ibejo lojol to lorine mola mansa kunda motol ni mejo kloboto ibeje ikata murko take kamoto san $3 million for your campaign when there is no machine kurambuka soto tena to momenale nawe fata ni ma fuko office kari ko do man kita jini office kari ko do sikambul Ibuka sunje. Where cameras are everywhere. You don't even show us proof. It's like a $3 million used for a car when our women are dying more they get dingle get a buy healthy buy every fari bako ka fa the temp. Sad nation. Gambia is a sad nation. Ninjon Kalo membe kala kunu tete futala bitu. $3 million car. There is no machine at the there is no single machine for Nawek. And our women are dying. Molul paketo leka fanyo like a digol today. Iman no sang. Far Barbaro, not even once. You are not an example, a good example to the nation. Mother of the nation. Bayer be iman no sang katawol wali. Ebe Syrian State House nails kuntolo habitat mingo. Kandu ni mbalamanna. Nails file le habitat mingo. Allah ni supporters kura ringolu. Abela meso be jari abelo ta ko antena. Ibebe lori mole kan nendri ke me NPPC. Masa sumara do ko ma me nendro kay abotami. Fama mo NPP. Al kal kan nendro di alu wulu di malu. Alla audio ka futa mal. Al kalu al ka molu neng. Al ka si al kal ka bulo chodi mo lal mo kuranin. Ta tiñarin no. Alla neket na talol be albe ñoo tiñar. Muso menna alla female coordinator deputy female coordinator menna natalo fundina juma la funda alda mala fundina albe ñoo tiñana tare. Abena place ku kelo na ko di ku kelo. Ikafo ko ni soli ngo ñaayo suboje. Ikafo ni soli ngo ñaayo suboje. Our children are dying molbe yemanda batutal ni sacrifice lalbe farin banko kan. Yaya tolela tol mentata nisi fingo fa ba kono yaya tolela yesilo joko so Gambia is a land of sacrifice we are going there ha sacrifice lal menna yaya tolela tol mentata nisi fingo fa mo le baji kono yaya tole ko oh ibakeka we are going there is a land of sacrifice duala be banko ka wuli ale kalanke men kutingo men da kunu yiko be ndula woto never it's not gonna happen. It will not happen here. Ila students wing. Ila students wings wing ya munefo. Eko di president akaf ya jamela barola support la. Mpola la audio moy. Gambian. You call Gambians, Senegalese, Europeans. I don't know Masila Mamaru. Akafu Germanians. Maluka Ayafunya for Germanian number. Ayafunyane. Simple reading. Abukake no Kaito Kajo Betalano. Another supporters I'll 3/4 of you. Thank you for Albukas spend no. What qualified donkeys. Qualified donkeys will never find it. Near that person don't talk about Barrow. Don't talk about Barrow for near upside down. Even wood FIFA. Simple thank you, they can say it. Even if UDP is faulty today, billahi wallahi tallahi kaltaman sola. ITMO will come out and tell them you are faulty. This is not right. Balisi de nga jibe loke karanal dam mantul surata wala le pule banko samba economics ngalong kara ngalong wala fari UDP debere hayna hani mo klimam fintal ko I was sitting waiting pula la mole na funti where a karawo be dam mentatol bukata wota karawo be dam you people don't participate there nen robe dam tole do mo robe dam to jumo no be dam Juba bondira dolo jube bondira jube fara mana ko ndegi jube falasi la ko dim sama be falasi labe falasi aju problem jolbe tari be mala dulata tari jolbe mala dulata tari wala po nyama banni ko karamo ita boje la karanatina domar be o medame ni juruje ita jira ko oh we have the best speaker me am a good speak lady no super balato be lore natalo be pakasela super balato kunto ore ne ndiro be da men fakas ibe je be mane ndiro la tari lo da ba koma kuma robe da onda itollo mi ba koma kuma la tari juwono burbe judo jobe fly la ko bota fly jolbe para la bla be to tari dindin keba molu nyaabe solo albadabe banko ka jolbe falasi la tari jolbe falasi la tari ko ni be last card ares card play la nyam play bom last card ares jobe falasi la botungo baro supporters lado ibe patili baydi la tari ñeklin kol ye pati le so nga jes na du fo nga fara du fo nga bambandal mbar nga nakune duma ibe yaay le pati jotare programme to tar ibe yaay le programme to tar mune we don't need a comok here a comok ye fondi mon la bankoka mon la funding kel ka fako ni parete yoko do moro dal si tallu lo mu dal si kemelu leta di la mon la ye bona e ko mo be yaay la tari ni la moto kumbalu be yaay la tari ye sey la soko de be mon la manol be tayla ni manol men be tayrin te akomok la na le mana mende da ye ho taraje ya jabe la manol ko te Adam Barrow doesn't really have anything to do ya jabe ala manol men doku ite mira mon la leptanol kono borte je mola nebitanol kono molbe fala imanta ko do dunde ja kata kada manol le extend do we is that really our problem manolo nyamu be mira la manolo konko be molu fala do molo konko be molu fala mol man do mo so ko kada manol le extend ibe mol la fil fan table be fayla tare niko bina funda ko biyo memna biyo nemna be finde yi minister kari be kuma la ko kari juo tanina mu juji be la woti jom clean juo mo be mo ju clean ma so ju clean la ne mo la fondi muso ko juo tan lefte juo la je juo ta na de frak ju atoli buka ajen alla kacha buka ke banko kam banko be tala nyame nin juma findi da wolu kabrin somo na fo wuralo ju kachalo juo la fundi ju burulo ju green kala juo mo juo be kachala continuously full 1 week do ku tekel sad nation nyen juojo lunta foro mo men kono lungo men wolu ndo ko ngo be ka do il me da wal wolu judia ma kolo 24 hours they are on the phone ajuo fitital buto ni memba fala o be de tara o be sunna tare ajuo fitital o ye ajuo wodora lo kabi Adam Barrow si dañu banko ka ju man ko ju problème mo ron wala ka fiti banko ka ngay be finti no rong ngay be finti jolbe sal be fly like Sabina FIFA continuously limbota wat e sa fal mbembe folale al fatal NPP wo UDP wo JDC wo al fatal Esafal is a Gambian, he has the right to contest. That is good for UDP. Fasi alla katel keles kalasa wasalla kan sejin alienda menso taya. That is good. Esafal Gambia dingolati. Na lefta niaje Esafal fana bina belolete ana balolete la sa imam baraka kuwala ka wala sa. Esafal is not really our problem. Esafal man see for law. It's a falman see follow. So what again on the problem? Why are you talking about him? Let's talk about that one in the state house. Nobody follow. Esafal is not our problem. Now the other team I see Esafal support no because I bought the member water la chat no la katanyo bal ntakela. Ntolumu foro let foro. Sankling kuma. I'm wishing him good luck. Momo yalo ko left kata vote go ahead. Bal tika na patile agenda la support de. Nkole wati. Ntita ibe ko be UDP le ikata Esafal la agenda wafi. You are not UDP. Ida la nyanto mo muneti kela mun nyanta la wafi. Ndebe men foro lo Esafal la koto. Let's not talk about Esafal because he is not our problem. He's a Gambian. He has the right to contest. Anala molu, whatever you want to do, go ahead with it. Ntol bela problem momente wala ma ana mabarot. So salaso menda beje wayna wali. Ka Adama Barrow on the State House, that is our problem. But Esafal is really not Gambians' problem. Muhammad Raisoto, Kafudina Kabuko, Alcana Kate Esafale, Alcana, Atolieta Mem for Alcana Kate Fai Adama Barrow. What you were supposed to say, I told you, it's Imam Fati. Not that I make Kerolando because Nadia Leko, it's a file make Imam Fati. I make it so Julio will be Bangkoka. Hella, Ninjulu Jobekala, Julio Mekala Besiala. Ninjulu Jobekala, Julio Mekala Besiala. Let us focus on our agenda. Ngavoko, more Kanela Kate Fai Adama Barrow, let him come out of our state house. That should be your agenda. But don't vote for Esafal when the giant is there. Don't vote for Esafal. I wouldn't have I'm a fan of and told Gambia been left on a banco tala mole blocker. Now don't give up. Na banco, Kaboni Adamo Baro blocker, Monu Nyor. Why Esafal is not Tima's problem. And I'm not going to talk about it. I am not going to talk about Esafal. He is not our problem. He is the same candidate like others. Ibelotale. Contest. You are not campaigning against those people, you are campaigning against Esafal. Esafal is not our problem. Our problem is Barrow. Barrow should come out of the state house. Mola taxpayers kodo bebe sanka chicken all. Mola taxpayers kodo bebe ka ngalay no yala nimel after join. Ngalay no yala nimel after join. Our mothers and our fathers are dying in the market. Tumola kasele la marcha kon diol kanala foy sing kanolto ibuka fensoto niye mensoto juti kaninal kana busila ifirta imam pidi batala ni parne ni courant say sokol fight for your mother and your father mbamal ba jende njaay yalla masa. Our doctors are dying. It's coronavirus at any time. Ebe voluntary la entrance buka dile buka jo. They don't pay them on mola kodo. Where is the money? Where did the money go? Where is the money? Mola banko kodo kadu mintole. Mola banko kodo kadu mintole. Because ninko bi kodo be tima bulu kodo tima. You need to see it on my mbalo bala kodo be tima bulu. Ngampare yakono. Ngadomo ngalla kono you need to see. Kodo be banko ka muka kodije. Kodo be banko ka mani manamallo. Cheni sol be mola ba jol be tinyala. Nyebu ka so mola environment be tinyata. Disaster is all over the country. Gambia dingol fogola muy fango jawoti. Love yourself. Niki dangay buga sa bopa. Ibe wula Adama Barrow noma chini mondo fongo kadu mola ya alinso kodo la mako ibe office to office dani rola pleta tabiro keya. You're supporting Adama Barrow. Adama Barrow is using taxpayers' money, paying people, bribing them to join his party. Party jata wala ibe banko jandila. If you know what is going on, you will not vote for this president. Come to Gambia and see how Gambia is. Gambia dam malo mikaje crown kafa joka du mola bol kono. Mano fonka joka kaje koko bajio manoka. Allahu Akbar. Alingi na tala watu me coronavirus kamul fa. Here reported, the report is right on the media. Ikatela Freota, you pay $40,000 to take your dead body away. Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Mari to nani makmando.
Sam kan Germany.
Sam near Kontong, you're welcome.
Okay, I will not record nante.
Then alhamdulillah.
Okay, Timantila after contribute ila program.
You're welcome. You can go ahead.
You know, uma follow Tima Gambia la kuwa abala fala warata. You understand? You know, ntaka pulu menu moya ninkamenu jemen yalo bekeri na banko ka. Sometimes you know akan kijo from farale tonya. You understand? because in kamira munela na ficho bitaka nyameng and then na banku bitaka nyameng momo mo hakili mati ka
joma kas be ti kas le akudu
momo ka ko mira ni hakili male ke mira samale ke mira ita fa wala ficho le di wala ficho na generation bitaka nyameng ajata mira la na banku nyanta ka try ñina ñabonde ada probable because na tambira ñina na alama alen tankala comme example na banko abedu na ñodol because ñaajele ko la men be banko walinka so ajibe ikaji economic men samanang mo la Gambia den same thing you understand right now manyana economic mul ila sojarol economic force nyan amanyana tarra Gambia at this time you understand
exactly
because those people they came for a mission and another mission of mena wala yaja mele ka ate wulaje so another mission so but and then na Gambia security reform wonyinta ka hele kabirin nan 2016 17 kana 2019 ka bu manke banko ka na Gambia police force ajibere membe kering and police men fa be Gambia if nga no problem membe Gambia from the high echelon and then na Gambia la problem taranada amo adam baro mem ko mo da nyatra nya adam baro bondije mo le diamula mo le carte o fay ye UDP masakunda sin ndabe UDP la dento ndeka ko la SNA yes and na mul ka fo ne ali carte o fay UDP and then ndu UDP be carte o fay la wala because man nka banko jabita ka nyama amamo nya fa Gambia ko okay ni na banko biduna problème ko molu Gambia no ali nya ka fu nyoma ka bitay nya banko bondi ni problème ko because mbetara fon kan mo be ba flata mo be la idea la fala mo be la right let yela idea for because mo Gambia it belongs to all of us okay so ni ajibe Gambia is a sovereign country why the other countries police forces mina Gambia they stay too long and then now Gambia no badata
they overstayed
exactly so this is the problem and then our fundamental rights should be respect by the president you understand adam baro man Gambia no la amam no ali ngato nya funye amam Gambia no la amam bunya amam horma adam baro atina Gambia tele be do ala kono you understand last time na do kulado ni Senegal be na do kulado janna do compagnie meto do kon afunye ko me alla Gambia carte fo kana be ma kan diama ka funye ko alla president be do ko ma kan dum abe diamo sa tan kai boy kai ko non te bukala fi Senegal ko ma like you understand because in the injusol nkai ko ma like because Senegal alla banko la ko kaza barndo la banko la ko a Senegal ta fono da alnyanta ene sidda manyi na insin adam baro latina woya bati bibe ke kan Gambia do lay Gambia ko okay esa fal fana na sa lapta ka afo esa fal mu banko dun ko me ya fa nyame and then he has right to I right to kala candidate ka independent candidate so na ka be lola banko di wala martin du ngay nyanto sotole mo manya na ka ajalay wo kam because banko di wala mal and then nimbe party me support la ira party me support and then ibe ifang maria na mo be kering Gambia adam baro momo ka plano ma ila ko fankan akamuntan fe ninje jono ma akamuntan fe talent ngol dem bam musulem bang ibe bulala no ma be wurla no ma te fe wolu mo buka fo mo ko mo do andi wala because ale mo dale hakilo makanya ba inyanta ke kubake banko bitaka nyame also ka to nya
thank you so very much Sam Kan abarka
okay
abarka the line is open 3415494 nimmel after join la you're welcome to join nimmel after join la you're welcome to join amere Sam Kan la kuma kama mai hanila media Billah wallahi tallahi aram baro lati lonko Gambia dingol man la fala ila media mume oni ba jube la 14 people than 20 people bali chakadi mal be yaay la mo la media totally be safero la tal hey let me tell you NPP ko nal bo len amé jom fekké da ngeen am jom don't watch Tima because I don't watch you. Don't watch, don't even try to write even one sentence in the Facebook because I don't watch NPP media. They have nothing absolutely for Tima. Don't watch me. Don't write. Bali ima le fon la unyaje mo kata yo firo la ko kan komo como sobi sonto la muti ola ne kata ko yo firo. Nyaje kata ya ira mo la platform to sobi sonto le malti. Illiterates. Baboons wala malti suluon. Atol kabla atol sita atol Gambia dinjel le komoni. The victims adam baro ya ñak yeremande mo la victime solve seni be kumola imam fam fere ninke iko ning APRC kata join ñeje be join la APR ko da tayla la muy tati sa tayla imaje wala kafo tay kafo man la fi men na ye fam forcé je lan bu li moy nak forcé talk APRC don't want to join you, force yourself in. Only 3 people. I told you that decision time APRC. APRC don't need barakatambalona. They don't want you. You're forcing yourself. Buhari nya be nyina ita tela moment no ma play ya tankandi men mamuta wallalka. What a shame. Malola nyindi. Maluman tammi nyina. Nyimu marolti ahan li gachela coalition a sitting president for me the coalition I want to laugh my ass off a sitting president for me in the coalition amandia niaje be coalition form layman lay fon you know that they don't love people don't love you and you forcing yourself who advised you that oh my god your advisor failed you they failed you. Because you know when that every ass is going to divide into 2. They are divided into 2 and they moved away. Ko ita vote lay bita vote la partido lay wala UDP by tente. Yalo musa ba ni malte. Wala na jam fa dim ko ni ba sinne ka kanyane. Jam fa dim ko ni ba sinne ka kanyane. Dan ko defon ya America UDP le honyonya ko ka Gambia dingol le honyonya. Well, they made their decision. They said they're not going to join you. It's better they join another party. But tell us you haram yani sayalela. They don't want you to sit. And ITMA don't want you as a president. And majority don't want you as a president. We don't want you as a president. We don't want you. You want to force me. Koye na mola bungo kone koye be sile ja koye sile bungo koye ba force first ala bungo. Yalo mo boy kamal. This is it. Boy kamal nyindi. Gambian people don't want you president. I am going to take to the security. Because I'm not okay, I'm sick. I am just here for a few minutes. Gambian soldier, Gambian army, Gambian servicemen and women, get up and fight your right. Take your position. What we can do is to talk. But we cannot fight to the end without you. You need to fight your own right by taking the office. Take your office. It's yours. E como be trimbali ala mo la bankoka. Ibe mo la funding ke lu fala. Ini moto ka dul sate kono e foite ñol were they drunk? Driving? Who is the killer? Akabori akata kema mumintu Gambia dingol ko. Be ñom fanjaw yala pula. We Gambians want to try UDP and say, left the UDP for 9 months, try, let's say, ni UDP car market, we're going to wipe them away. Yes. Ni UDP finance the man Sakunda Yalamano. I have confidence that they will do something. They have something absolutely for the Gambian people. But if they did not do right, we're going to wipe them away. But for now, we need UDP government. and you are not going to be our president. This is the voice of Gambian people. That is what they said. Ye mem fo ndana wala wala ninte mem moy bantante kala wala fo nyoni kumayata ala yala kumayata ndeti ma mala fi mol ka fa ko siseri ko ten e comme mo ko kamune yayi mo la banko kan suto ngame kete kanta yeta lo state house bundat yenta lola wolte why are they roaming about everywhere come mola mol fa just like that and nothing will come out of it. Absolutely nothing will come out of it. Nothing will come out of it. I am talking to you, my fellow Gambian people. SFL is not your problem. Yaya Jammeh, Barrow is your problem. Let him vacate our office. Barrow le man la problem. SFL man ka la problem. Voting, announcing and telling people don't vote for SFL have no use. You should be busy saying don't vote for Adama Barrow. What am I sitting president? SFL is not a sitting president right now. The sitting president should be your problem. At a funding officer should be your problem. My dear fellow Gambians. Barrow office should be your problem, not SFL. Ika problem also to le ko ila problem ul buleji kate fay dula dot. Ika problem also de ko buleji kate fay dula dot. Mo yende ka ambition so le ye fon plan to know what is your problem. Wallahi billahi tala Barrow must go. He needs to go. I told men baby diaspora busy saying vote for Barrow, vote for Barrow. I told him bilga hani nyantambu alma bilgambia foga hani thing alma ke gambe youth sole deportation of keri wato menantul Barrow supporter mamoja alkono me ya condemn. You are only there for your own selfish interest. Deportation of mola bankoka. None of you came out to condemn that. You're based on your selfish interests. Allah for Adam Barrow is because you're not living in this Gambia. I told you Europe. So I'm gonna fali. Al-Qadama dingo man sotaji ka Gambia dingo la concern Gambia dingo la right in the kawafi. It's not happening in this Gambia. Until member in Gambia Bangkoka, we will fight your diaspora. Yes. Allah kamuto lolo ni Bangkoka. Ale mo be disrespect. Ale keba be disrespect. Al ka di solma dingo meli alako. Hani bambu tulo masu dal ker dikulu ka so lo ka banko dingo be ne. Al me al fawla advertise la tarin ko nyamati dingol. Nta bota kare le bala mbota fenke le bala suma yaay fi kele mo kini la joge a fan advertise nonsense so ko al man tara fenna jam ni kala alla agenda wa fal bal fan advertise la albe plan wol fayla albe molu nena le politiko betinya ali abeka wuliyati ali abeka hasidiyati ali abeka nafikati ali abeka taram fambuliyati ali abeka ju wacharoti jol bebe wachar ju saddar ringol bebe sate kon al ju fitindolo ju fasarigol ali abe falsali sali Gambia kono kirol dunda mon la banko ka ropping be everywhere break and enter is everywhere banko tinyata now ntol fome mo banko dingot we are ready to take our country back nga deda kuka nga maintenance nga londi and it's going to happen on the UDP umbrella. It's going to happen on UDP umbrella. I told you I will never stop until the day hey, whatever is coming, let it come. Until the day ya announce ko UDP take office, you state house there. I'll basically get ready on my special Facebook live because I'll come out here and announce ko sila na political bantal, moka political ke reason na kamba. Ika political ke reason na kamba. Ju fasarin findindo ni kuma bafo. Abeni super kanje konko todi nu konko barfala. Konko tol nata molla maketa tol la mansa fona e mondo bi je ka bon la kabrinja papa ka samas italo e kata APRC say what is ngeta sindi mu nekam we bring you to bring nge sama na pour changes ke system change ngameni bondi je kawol mu de ke sama ne ko tene wolbe kwal so muna ma lo e fon e ale me mundo kaya kati e wandi pati mu de ya be teye be du nyoto gambelo dama be kelela gambelo dama be nyola je itala pati mam bento mo mene la be janja idala pati man ben tumo men na ila dula be janja na nyata la steda aussi ka be fisi fasala abe wofula tane ana ko ikaka kete ngoy ko imede ikonte ndala barakantam ndala jang falat ndemam kat bay to lemam kat itala man kat imari kana amoro la iya muna fat baba yake ngoy kan telef ima jate mena ado ay do mo kata ikon ndala man kat ndala man baraka itala man baraka itala man ga hey no foroki yake ndama ni soto no foroki de nakini kan da abla do xana ikaka mate man samen ka garu wala ke anytime you give this guy paper play idea mo aka fongola banko dingolo fongola ka fongola dimba yalu ike garu wala ni mu man sata ñu be mo la dimba yalla e bu ko je maral la kenodi alpha ni la dimba yalla ku ke you come out and address it e bu ka garu wala ke mu nga garu wala continuously ni baro e pepa lu mudalo mente ko biwa se kabe diamula na musko man la ko la aka fon talin nka sawo sele iro le santo kan chu pente katile fon ka sam fata woro lo ma nan kaba hiro santo kume manzo man sammen kata furawol wulindi aka safo ke kungol koto man sammen ma tunna furawol fanwe man sammen man so atula na furawol ye pour rest in peace ika taymo so le kapelo mu de ka banko chukuti foi ka futa frewma e ka ko wulindi ka safo ke je piko bol be tarin sate ko no niya moy fure mem fata e ko fure kuto ya wuri fat somebody, that is what I was saying. It's very sad, absolutely sad. Mais I'm afraid que frère forme reste no alla political dunia ko. Frère bu wuri la tari. Frère bu wuri na tari. Muna be keri. Sang wat sitara banku ko muna arema bukalo ko sang fo be hanko ka. Ate be menkele ke la fiero fo. Political la rete kera. Alka stilo block le bari te de ngamra kunun ko bala mbonna jela one way le bitaka ite silo be block. Are you above the law? Did you inherit the Gambia? For Gambia konto mo baroleti. Gambia konto mo baroleti ba. For me yati ne ko political dia constitutional right. Moral right yo so nsina ofana njube. Nsina ofana njube. For you to address the nation, you kuma for me kafu mo go. I take o menka mano idlabe fandi. Bari ite bota wolle bara fata sita wo UDP le balandu ye rari kele ye campaigno ke fele. Sanyi jole ne be campaigno la. Bile yalo ke ka traffic o block. Munale ada. Bile yalo ko UDP ka traffic o block le ba. Bile yolo. Kunun kabili ni be campaigno le ni be dulabe kura la kuni malon. Bile yalo ko UDP ka traffic o. Yare te asane ande dunia bela ko UDP le la problème oti. Bali ni UDP bota dula jande tente moti membe o kuru bala. Fayina de ko ke niola la ina da wala. Fayina de ko loyada boya niola ta de la state ate de la jail pour ka Gambia safe. O loyada bo kili wolende ni sikoto bu ka nyamo tinyade. So ite kam men parandi kam men silandi wonde o loyada bo tide. Loyada bo mi anio was aka parta falela kaso ya mayafa bala ka Gambia bondira ta la jail mal tu room no mal gel ika ko ko inde wolo ya da ba kino lande wo man sila sakasi sirika iko kana ma wala menu mata la they know the results they have out of it. If I malaya jubi, as that is going to be your downfall. If I malaya jubi, as wala be kalan bismillah surat. Fok kusati lo ngada. Botum bari ngolo. Ngani no sotali. 3 things to 2. We want ECOMOG soldier to leave our Gambia, our country, as soon as possible. The life of our people is very important to us. Our people's lives matter. Gambian people's lives matter. We want them out of our country. So we are talking to you, our servicemen, to get ready and fight your right to have your office back. To have your Altalo State House, Otomala Palasoti, Mano Kakaloji, for the local Kumalaw have to end. 1. Ite Adam Baro ye Jamfa Main City. If on Bulu le Jamfa Dinko can do APRC ko inete. Ye Faran Dur Katare Durga. So definitely what you want, Iman was sort of them. If only the Jamfa Dinko see. Esafal is not our problem. Kaloka for don't vote for Esafal is not illa duty. Illa duty is stand up and tell people not to vote for Adama Barrow and tell them the party you want them to vote for. Very simple. Thank you everybody for listening. This is all I have for you. Ala baraka bake for what I'm not feeling so well. Ala man sura kaira la menu fata alma la jam so ne yala. Ala ma makati bayo eke. UDP man sakunda ala ma ala so wala kaira kon. Ni akare fayo ala ma ngada ti kaira kon ngabang kaira. Ika men kurukulu nindi mbalo ala ma ala ya kupi kon kunka. Kairo ala ma ala ya dinne banku to mal ni mom on lefta kairo ala ma ala so kairo memma la fi kairo la dimba kon ala me nyukala ji. Ala baraka.